Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani and in this series of videos I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So our today's challenge is the Minion game. Here Kevin and Stuart play the Minion game and the game rules are both players are given the same string S. Both players have to make substrings using the letter of the string S. Stuart has to make words starting with consonants and Kevin has to make words starting with vowels. Okay, the game ends when the both players have made all possible substrings. And scoring is player gets 1 point for each occurrence of the substring in the string. Okay, so and our output format is print on one line the name of the winner and their score separated by a space, means like this: Stuart space his score, which is 12. So let's code for this challenge. Here let's first take a vowel variable. Okay, now let's initialize the scores of both the players. So ks, which is Kevin's score, and SS, which is Stuart's score. Okay, now let's iterate through a loop and see the maximum possibilities for each substring. So for I in range, length of S. So if S of I in vowel, then I have to increase the score of Kevin. Okay, so Ks plus equals to, so length of S minus I. If S of I is not in vowel, then I have to increase the score of two words. Okay, now we have to compare both the scores for printing the results. So if Ks means Kevin's score is greater than Stuart's score, so we have to print Kevin space his score. Okay, we are using f string, so done. Or else if Kevin's score is less than Stuart's score, then we have to print the winner is Stuart, so Stuart SS and f string. But if the match is draw, so we have to print draw. Okay, so let's run our code and see what we get. Here our sample test case 0 is successfully run, so let's submit our code. Our all 15 cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.